Hi everyone, Chef PD back again. Hey, today's recipe is the ever so popular pot stickers. Now we sold a lot of these at the Dragon House over the years. We used to make them like almost every day, it seems like. Now, what are pot stickers? Pot stickers are meat-filled dumplings commonly eaten in China, Japan, Korea, and other Southeast Asian countries. Now many people are intimidated and are reluctant to even attempt to make these, but I hope this video will inspire you to make them at home. Now please, do me a big favor and make your way to that big red subscribe button right there and press it. I have a ton of yummy recipes I'm dying to share with you. Okay, let's get this thing rolling. Okay, the ingredients we need today. Half pound of ground pork. Of course, you can use ground chicken, turkey, shrimp, lamb, beef, whatever you like. 1 cup of shredded cabbage or napa, or you can use coleslaw. 1/4 teaspoon ginger, grated. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic, minced. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon sugar. 1/4 teaspoon sesame oil, and 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch. And with this recipe, you can add green onions, water chestnuts, or spinach, or whatever kind of vegetables you want to put in. And also, you're going to need dumpling wrap. You can get this at the Asian grocery store. Just basically a flour tortilla, real miniature one. And water to moisten the wrappers with when you start folding. Okay, I'm going to show you the recipes for the pot sticker sauce now. Okay, ingredients we need for the pot sticker sauce. I have 1 tablespoon Kikkoman soy sauce, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, or you can use apple cider vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of grated ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. And just basically just gonna put them all in here. And what I like to add is a little bit of hot pepper oil, just to spice things up a little bit. Okay. And we're going to add a little bit of water, like 2 tablespoons of water. There you go, that's it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the cabbage. We're going to put some salt in it. Just maybe 1/8 or 1/4, maybe just maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon. And I'm just going to mix it. Just gently massage it in. And you're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. What's going to happen is the salt it's going to draw the moisture out of the cabbage. Okay, we're going to let it sit. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes, and let's check this out. You can see there's lots of water coming out. Once you compress that and squeeze the water out of there. We don't want this inside to be too moist. Just get as much as you can. Okay. Now we're going to combine that with the pork. Ginger, garlic, salt, sugar, sesame oil, and white pepper powder. Cornstarch. Just mix it in real well. Okay, let's go fold. Do is gonna wet that edge all the way around. Small dab of the meat in the center. Okay. You're gonna fold, pinch the edge on that one side, and you're gonna start folding that. Pinch, fold, and pinch. There it is. Okay, I'll do it without a glove here. Maybe it'll be a little bit better footage here. So you can either put the meat first on here and then put the water on that edge, or you could do it the other way around. Doesn't really matter. Put a glob in the middle here. You're gonna pinch right there. Now, you're gonna use your thumb to push the meat down. You're gonna fold and press. Fold and press. And just make sure that it's sealed right here, otherwise it'll pop open. And if it's not enough water, just put a little bit more and just shape it. There you go. So, again, so you could put the water on first and put a glob on here, right in the center here. Pinch the end here. Fold, pinch, fold, pinch. But there's definitely a learning curve here. Took me quite a bit of time practicing it before I got halfway decent. But in no time's flat, you should be able to make these. Just like me. Here you go. Okay, now I'm going to heat up the pan. We're going to fry them up. Put about a tablespoon of oil in here. Crank it to about a medium heat and let it pan fry. Okay, it's been pan frying for about 3 to 4 minutes now. You can see it's starting to get brown right here, like that. Okay. And put about a 1/4 cup of water in here. And we're going to cover it up. And let it cook for another 5-6 minutes. Okay, it's probably about 6 minutes. Notice how it's golden brown down here like that? That's what you want. There you go. That's pot stickers right there. Okay, let's try these bad boys out. Dip it in the sauce. Mmm. Excellent, excellent. That sauce really makes it. Okay, try these out. I'd love to hear your comments. We'll see you in the next video. Great, so a bunch of viewers are interested in buying these black t-shirts, Dragon House t-shirts. So if you're interested, please email me at this address down here, right there. And let me know what size and quantity you want. And then we'll try to get some and get them out to you.